Hey guys, my name is Shivij and I welcome all of you to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to do the freeze frame effect in Filmora 9. So I'll show you how to do it. So let's move on to the video. First of all, what we need to do is we need to import our video as always. But the video should have a still background so that the effect works nicely. So now I'll be importing my video. So I'll click on the import media files button. Now as you can see, my video is here and now I'll drag it to the timeline. And after I have done this, I'll keep the project settings as same. And from here, I'll cut the part what I need. So I need just this much part. And now I'll cut it from here and delete the rest part. And after you've done this, slow the video a little bit so that the video becomes long, and as you know, a slower and a slow-mo effects looks more nice. So what you need to do is you need to double click on this, and after double clicking you need to go on this button here, and from here you need to go to slow and make it to about 0.25x. And now after you've done this, what you need to do is we need to see the frames which we want, and from here I'll drag my timeline and I'll see which frames I want. So for example, I want one as this frame. So what I'll do is I'll keep my playhead here, and now I'll take a snapshot of this preview. So from here, from this button, you will take a snapshot, and after you've taken the snapshot, you'll see the snapshot in your importing area. And after this is done, what you need to do is you need to drag this snapshot to the playhead, and you don't need to move the playhead at all. And after you've done this, you need to drag this till the end of the clip. And now we have to take the snapshots of different frames in our video. To see the frames which we want, what I'll do is I'll click on this button. This will hide this layer, and now we can work on the clip which we have below. So I'll drag and now I can see the frames easily. Now after you have all the frames, we'll unhide all the layers from here. So now what you need to do is you need to double click on each frame we have. So I'll click on this frame here, I'll double click, and in the compositing I'll go to blending mode and change it to darken. And you need to do this with all the videos. And before showing you the preview, I'll render as always. And now after the rendering is done, now I'll show you the preview. This looks so cool. I hope you'll also try this, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you are new, and also press the bell icon so that you get latest updates about my upcoming videos. Thank you.